Yung mga resume po, di ba yung mga referrals na ganyan? Paano kayo pumipili exactly? Or mas nagre-relay kayo sa stock knowledge about a certain
No,
possible appointment?
I have been, I said, in this planet for quite a time. I'm a student of politics all the time. Being also in politics all the time, and may I just add, hindi naman ako nagyayabang, my father was governor also in this province noon matagal na. So, alam ko kung sino yung mga personalities in the horizon. Maybe not really all of his persona, pero alam ko kung sino yung dapat nandyan, dapat hindi.
So, gut feel?
Yeah, gut feel. Kay Basco, if you place him in the DILG, in PA siya noon, tinulong siya dyan sa barak, anong tingin ng pulis sa kanya? Magiging inutil talaga siya. Baka hindi pa siya sundin. And that would be a tragedy.
Sir, for areas like health, environment, meron po ba kayong mga top of mind, or you admit na in those areas you don't really know the people you want to put to appoint?
It's not a matter of I do not know. I know all of them. Ang kanilang interest, are they connected with this? Are they connected with that? I need to investigate. Ilang asawa niya? Tatlo ba? Dalawa ba? Would it be a conflict and later on? Ganon.
Sir, kayo lahat gumagawa yan personally or meron kayong inner circle na talagang...
Wala. Maniwala ka, wala.
Kasi puro kayo lahat.
Wala. At ito sila, they just pretend that they advise me. Totoo lang.
You mean the transition?
Maniwala ka. Even magtanong ka dito sa Davao. It's always pati ang political strategies ko, akin lahat yan.
Pero sir, ibang ano to, malaki
Walang gumagawa sa akin. Well, of course, yung mag-generate ka ng ano dyan, but nobody, ako lang yan. Ako lang ang lahat. Hindi ako nagyayabang.